Yes, sir! Day number 2, Laconia Bike Week. Let's hit it. Today we're actually going to get to see some stuff. We're going to go to the main strip. That's where all the action is, all the Hells Angels tents and all the people, all the babes, you know what I'm saying. And then we're going to go to the Speedway. We're going to do some test rides. And then we're just going to ride around, check out some stuff, see what it is. So let's get to it. Yes, sir. Uh-oh. I like to see that. Cars pulled over. Don't pull over bikes. Haha. Man, check out all this beauty out here, son. It's pretty nice. Pretty sure that's why people love coming here. Because of the mountains and the scenery. And I think Mount Washington is pretty close by too. Which, that's not really my type of thing. I'll save that for the hardcore bros. You know what I'm saying? I'll admit, I'm a biker, but I ain't no like hardcore, you know, like death do us part motorcycle, you know. I love bikes and stuff, but I'm trailering my shit because I got a sport bike and that shit's uncomfortable. And I'm just riding and I'm just doing what's best for me. I don't care about anybody else. And that's how it should be. Don't let all these guys, especially these Facebook guys, who are like, oh, you're not a real biker. You're trailering your shit. Like, come on, dude. Who are you to judge? Damn, look at that. That's cool. Little boat ramp. So we're getting pretty close here. We're going to be pulling up to the good old welcome biker sign. Welcome bikers. Yes, sir. Haha, son. Hear that shit popping. Pump, 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 pump. This thing shoots like dual 3-foot flames. It's crazy, bro. If you ride behind me during the nighttime, you can be like, what the fuck is going on with this bike? This thing is a beast. Alright, now we're, oh, look at that. That's so cool. Look at all the bikes up there. Holy crap. Oh, they're going on a ride, I think. Yeah. Dang. Yes, sir. This is where it starts to open up here. So this is the main circle roundabout here, right before you get into the Weirs Beach. Weird Beach, Weirs. Yeah, it's pretty wild. Every year though, out here, it usually rains on everyone. It's crazy. Look at that dog up there. He got his own sidecar. No, not that dog, but hill climb June 12th. Gotta go check that out. They bring cops in from all over the state and they put them to work, that's for sure. So this is where you pull in to go to the main festivities. Got all the little stuff you can buy, all the little trinkets and shirts and hats, and got the old, I think, oh yeah, the Hells Angels of Laconia. Right there. All the bike parking. Pretty cool. It's cool to see everyone, you know, together in one place. Dude, this place is crazy right now. We're gonna head over to the New Hampshire Motor Speedway, see what tents they got up, see all the new bikes, and try to ride the good ones. So, yes sir. Make sure to check out my video, the tour of Weirs Beach. It's gonna be super cool, so heck yeah. I'm excited. We got about a 30-minute ride. Yes sir. We're gonna get it. I cannot remember where in the hell. Holy shit. Damn. This is crazy. Look at that, got the follow truck. Connecticut MC. Probably need gas, bro. The Red Devils. Holy shit, son. This is crazy, bro. Fucking lit. Lit like a tit. Gonna gas up right now, son. Oh, can't see that. Yes, sir. These boys out here crazy. This is the main intersection right here of Weirs Beach, New Rock City Hells Angels, Indiana Nomads Hells Angels. Man, they got stands everywhere. It's crazy. We got the Sick Boys right here. I could never. It's so fucking cheesy. Sorry, no judging. The Hells Angels Cape Cod. Son, look at all these bikes. H2. Screw it, I'm going this way. Look at all these bikes. Damn, and I already missed like 10 seconds worth. About 75 of them motherfuckers. Look at that. I was just in a rainstorm and now it's like beautiful blue sky. I guess welcome to the Northeast. Man, check out these roads. I swear the sky was just literally gray. You couldn't see a bit of. Hey, we made it. New Hampshire Motor Speedway. Yes sir.